Go ahead. Here we go. The official unboxing of the instrument. Each person gets one to use. You can't take it home yet. You might. You don't even know what they are yet.
Thank you for donating to Jacob Elementary.
Here we go. The unboxing now. Don't rip it. Try not to rip it. If you need to use scissors, get the scissors, because we want to preserve the box so that other students can use them. Y'all know where the scissors are. Don't strum it yet, just preserve the box because we need to keep it.
I'm trying to open it, I nailed it. I'm trying to open it without destroying the walls.
You can, even if you destroy the top part, it's okay, but don't destroy the whole box. Don't do it like that, Justin. Pull it out.
No, you have to take. Hey, Matthew, can I see that? Me and Mark's
I know you have the urge to strum it, but wait for everybody before you start.
I will play E minor.
Actually, Elijah already has a ukulele,
That's why I didn't get one.
but he could still watch and use it. Oh, you know E minor?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Doesn't sound as good as on it.
Yeah, we probably have to tune them.
Yeah.
We will have to tune them. Keep trying. You got this. Nope.
I didn't know how to play anything.
Two, three.